Over the last few months, thousands of working professionals have lost their jobs and they're endlessly searching for the next job. While those that still have jobs, they're basically working on eggshells, hoping they're not next in line. Now, you want to know the honest truth? Whether you're unemployed or you're seriously hoping that you don't get fired, there is an alternative to finding the next job. What if, instead of praying that you don't get fired, or instead of you endlessly searching for the next gig, why don't you think about creating an income for yourself? An income that you don't have to be afraid of losing. An income that can put you in more control of your finances. Or an income that could possibly exceed your paycheck. And the great news? You already have that skill set, but you just don't know what to do with it. And that's because you are thinking from an employee perspective rather than thinking from a creative perspective. The same skill set that you have that helped you get that job, or other skill sets that other people are using to create income for themselves, is that same skill set that you have. But you don't think you can do anything valuable with it. You think it's not useful. Now, let me ask you a question. The company that you're working for, or the one that you're hoping to work for, why do you think they pay you a salary? Is it because you look pretty or you look handsome? Of course not. They are paying you a salary because you're bringing something valuable to the table. You have a skill set that they need, and that skill set helps them make more money. Now, working for an organization is not the only way to earn an income. And I think it's high time someone tell us the truth. There are multiple ways to earn an income, one of which is finding yourself a job. And that seems to be one of the easiest ways for us to get a job. And that's why I think many of us are stuck in this pathway. But that's not the only way. You can create your own income by monetizing the skill set that you have. That same skill set that you put in a resume and used to apply to multiple jobs, you can take that same skill set, create it into a valuable solution so that you're able to solve another person's problem, and you can then monetize that and earn an income for yourself. That gives you more control. Nobody has to fire you from that kind of income stream. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Now, one thing I want you to know is this. If organizations are willing to pay you for that skill set that you have, that means there are other people out there that can pay you for that same skill set. So stop limiting yourself to just finding yourself a job. The same energy it takes for you to look for multiple jobs is the same energy that you could split into two. And while you're looking for those multiple jobs, you're also creating an income for yourself. The same time it takes for you to worry about not getting fired and walking on eggshells every day is the same energy that you can funnel into creating the life that you want. It's time for you to wake up. Many times we don't think our skill set is valuable outside of the 9-to-5 circle. Is because we've never seen what it's like, in the real world. We've never tested our skill set in the real world. We've never watched other people monetize the same skill set that we have. And that's why it's time for you to expose your mindset. Start reading, start researching, because there are other people that are monetizing that same skill set that you have in multiple ways, and they're doing tremendously well in that area. Also, many times we undervalue what we have. We think that skill set is everywhere. Everybody knows it. It's all over the place. No, there's something unique about you. There is a specific problem that you can solve with your skill set. Even though multiple people may have it, you have a unique problem that you are interested in based on the market you're trying to solve that you can focus on, while other people that have that same skill set might decide to focus on something totally different. And even sometimes you might decide to focus on the same thing. The world is big enough for every one of us to flourish. And so I want you to move and take a shift from that employee mindset, thinking that your skill set is only meant for the corporate world, thinking that your skill set cannot be used outside of the four walls of an organization. That is farther from the truth. You can use it anywhere and everywhere. As long as it's valuable, as long as you're solving a problem, you can use that skill set. Now, one thing I want you to realize is this. Even the organizations that you're working for, They are not paying for your degrees. They're not paying for your titles. They're paying for results. And it's the result that your skill set is able to do that you're paying for. That's how they're paying you salary. So you might think that, oh, I have project management skills, and so this organization is paying me for my project management skill set. No, they are paying you for what the project management skill set can do to the projects that they are creating in the organizations. They want someone who can help them manage a project successfully, where they don't have to waste time, waste resources, or go overboard when it comes to their scope. Someone who's able to do that effectively demands a pay. So they're paying for results. Outside of the workforce, you also have so many brands that need your skill set because they need to solve a specific problem. Other times, it might be the fact that there are other people who are looking to get to your level, that they need you to mentor them, train them to get to your level. So at the end of the day, your skill set is useful in multiple ways, and I need you to open up your eyes to see it. Start thinking differently today. Your skill set is not limited to 9 to 5. It can be used anywhere and everywhere. And if you don't believe me, go out there and check. Go on Google. Look at a skill set that you believe that you have and find out people that are making money off the skill set. You will be shocked that people are making as high as $10,000 on that same skill set that you think it's not even worthy. You will be surprised. So I want you to actually go out there and actually put that skill set to test, right? So here is what I want you to do. I want you to grab yourself a pen and paper. I want you to list out all the possible skill sets that you think you have. Do not leave out any. For as long as you can remember, skills that you have, experiences you've been through, expertise, whatever it is that you feel like you've done, just put it in your list. Then I want you to go online and look for people who are using that skill to make money. So for example, let's say you have the gift of speaking or you're very good at speaking. Go out there and search for other inspirational speakers, motivational speakers that earn a living from speaking. You'll be shocked to find how much they earn. Let's say you're very good in something. Go online and find who are the people that are making money from this skill. You will be shocked, and that will begin to start opening your eyes to know that your skill is not useless. You just don't see value in it because you think that it can only be used in this pathway, or you think it can only be used in your 9 to 5. Let the world be open to you to realize that there is so much more than the skill sets that you have. And while it's absolutely okay for you to have a 9 to 5 job, don't be in a situation where you're walking on eggshells, where you're worried every day, where you're like, oh my goodness, today my last day? Do I have another day to work? No, nobody deserves to be in that state of mind. Nobody deserves to be endlessly searching for a job for months without finding another one. You should have the ability to create the world that you desire. And you can do that by creating an income stream for yourself. And you can start today by creating that list, searching for people online who are already making money in that skill set, and figure out the problem that you want to solve with that skill set today. Now, once you do this, I then want you to figure out the people that will be in need of your skill set and write a list of the people that might be needing your services. And by the time you're done, we would be on our way to creating a new side hustle that could be bringing us money very soon. Okay? So if you're tired of endlessly searching for a job, if you're tired of walking on eggshells, if you're tired of being underpaid, undervalued, if you're tired of your financial situation, it's time for a mindset shift because your skill sets are valuable. But the question I have for you today is, are you ready? Are you ready to start monetizing that valuable skill set that you have put away for so long? It's time to wake up. And today is that day that you need to wake up. Now that you're ready, what is that one skill that you've been ignoring for so long that you think it's a high time for you to start monetizing? I want you to drop that in the comment section so that we can get started on your dream. Thank you very much for spending another time with me in today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with your community, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.